Girl, I know this might seem strange. I don't really know your name. Though young player married to the game, so you know it's still dreams over everything.
Alright, so I'm going to be showing y'all how to install a UPart wig on short, natural hair. So this is how my hair looked braided. I didn't feel like getting my ring light, so ignore my yeah, anyway. So this right here is going to be my leave out. Usually how I separate my leave out, I put all my hair down, I make a part wherever I want it, like if I'm gonna have a part over here, or in the middle, on the other side, and then I go on each side and probably get like about a centimeter. And so this is how I do it to make sure I have enough coverage on both sides. Perimeter braid, somewhat of a perimeter braid. I didn't really feel like doing all that. And then this braid is leave out, and this braid is leave out. The reason I'm gonna use a closure is because we all know with closures how it looks natural, like your actual hair. It looks like your actual hair, of course, once I parted, and I did bleach the knots earlier. So of course I'll be able to part it either way I want to, and it'll still look natural. Of course, once I put the clips on here, I'm gonna have my hair out inside of this section, which is the part that I braided down on my own head, blow free. And I did dye the ends of it a while back to kind of match my lighter hair, like on the sides. So this is just how it looks, and I've had this wig for like a couple months now, and it's still holding up really good. That's just how that's looking. And I also did kind of get like a little ombre look on the front of the closure part, so it can blend a little bit more effortless. I'm just going to show y'all how the wig look on my head. This is the inside construction of the wig. As you can see, I like to use brown thread just so I can kind of see where it is if I decide to take the hair off of here. As y'all can see. Sorry, I don't want to get this hair inside the candle wax down there. But this is how the closure part is looking. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see how it look. Ooh, y'all, let me get that sweat on my head. Okay, so let me move this clamp out the way. And it's very, very, very simple once y'all get the wig and stuff already constructed. So as y'all can see, it fits perfectly up there. Once I put the clamps and everything down, then it'll be good. But I think I might slide the wig back a little bit just so I can get all of my leave out and everything. And right here, I may not leave any hair out, since this part of the closure comes all the way down right here, which is perfectly fine with me. So as you guys can see, it comes down just right here over that braid. So the clamp will need to be right here on the closure, like that. And then this one I actually measured out really good, so the clamp will go right here and it just clamps down perfectly right there. And so once that is clamped, then so I can just have the hair out like normal, so natural. If the wind blows back, like nobody will even know. We're good. I'm going to sew it down on the back, which is why I have my braids connected in the back. The closure, as you guys know, it will make holes inside of there, so I rather have the clamps up here with the elastic band so it can last much longer. I go ahead on, install the clamps on here, and I'll be back when I'm clipping it on my hair so y'all can see how it looks.
I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in fears is like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder.
y'all, so welcome back. I finished sewing those clips down, which is what I showed inside the last clip. Let my flat iron heat up, which is the Babyliss 3000, I think that's whatever it's called. I do have another Pro. Make sure the camera get that. This one is good on weaves and wigs. And this one I feel like it's the best on my natural hair. And I don't need to have it, it's already heating up. I don't need to have it on too high because I'm going to do the chase method. And I'm going to use some of this BTZ Turn Up the Heat.
Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
So I'm going to put it on. This is how the clips and everything came out. This one, I knew this was going to happen. This braid right here is too tight already, so it's going to be, ow, that hurts so bad, y'all. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so it's on there for now. It's still kind of sitting up, so I guess it'll probably be a little bit better tomorrow. But this is, if I had it sewn down, then this part will be laid down in that perimeter braid and my hair will blend a little bit more. But this is how my hair is looking with it. And like I said, I love that flat iron because it's looking like my own hair. For like maybe once. Well, I guess I'll probably do it twice. And my hair is really good that I sell. So like I said, I've had this wig for some time now. I'm just gonna put like a slight little bump in there, like a while ago. I'm gonna show you how to finish look. And this is how it's looking. I'm probably about to go get ready to take this off. Final look of everything. I just kind of did my edits or whatever. Now I sewed everything down, so it's pretty tight. I'm gonna bring it forward. Let me zoom y'all out. So let me know, but this is just my technique on how I get this style or whatever, which is what I had showed you guys inside the last couple clips. Then it wouldn't take as long, but like I said, this was a kind of step-by-step, so you guys can be able to kind of have the basics down. Once you get that down packed, then it'll be much easier. Like you can literally do this whole process, like cutting the closure part of the wig, sewing the strap down, and then sewing the two clips down, and then sewing your hair up. That can literally take you less than 30 minutes, which is what it would have taken me if I wasn't recording or anything. And then once you do it more, then you can get faster at doing this. But yeah, this is just how it came out. Maybe down the line, this particular wig, I'll probably cut to maybe like this length or something like that. It's much shorter, then you do not have to curl the hair as tight as I did. I had the heat on 390. My brown cotton thread. This was the only cotton thread that I had, so I used, I had this one in blonde, but I just used brown. And I used the nylon thread for the front, since this was the only black thread that I had available, so I didn't want the thread to show at all. I'm probably gonna go and wrap my hair. I'm gonna use one of these scarves.
Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight.
Yeah, I hope hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it was very helpful. And make sure you guys like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys inside my next video.
Colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm
Girl, I know this might seem strange. I don't really know your name. Though young player married to the game, so you know it's still dreams over.